Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by running a targeted crawl. Open your chosen tool and point it to the affected domain. Make sure to include both www and non-www variants and restrict the crawl to the relevant subfolder when possible. Once done, export a CSV that lists broken URLs, their HTTP status codes, and the referring pages. This gives you a prioritized action list. You'll use that list to choose which links to fix first and which pages to leave for later. Now you diagnose each broken link. Check the HTTP code, follow redirects, and confirm whether the target exists. If it's a typo or bad href, update the internal link in the CMS or HTML. If the page moved permanently, implement a 301 redirect at the server or CDN. For server or SSL errors, inspect logs and certificate settings. Once you've chosen fixes, apply them on staging first. Then recrawl to verify that the problems are resolved and no new loops were introduced. Finally, deploy the approved fixes during a low-traffic window and clear caches so changes propagate. Rerun your crawl and manually spot-check high-value pages and conversion funnels to confirm links now resolve correctly. If a link still fails, use browser DevTools and curl to see headers and redirects, then check server logs for errors. Often it's a cached redirect or DNS-TTL issue. Make sure to document what you changed and schedule a follow-up crawl in 24-48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.